Hotel Sogo's 33rd Foundation Day. 33 years of excellence, growth, and commitment to so clean, so good service.
From a single vision to now 52 branches across the country, this milestone is a tribute to the hard work and dedication of our incredible team. So let's enjoy this special night as we honor our journey and the people who made it all possible. Welcome to Hotel Sogo's 33rd Founding Anniversary and Service Awards Night.
Sa espesyal na gabing ito, nais nating bigyang pugay ang ating loyalty awardees, ang ating mga matagal nang naglilingkod na empleyado na naging sandigan ng kumpanya sa panahong pagsubok. Dahil sa inyo, nanatili tayong nakatayo. Dahil sa inyo, nagpatuloy ang ating operasyon. Kayo ang haligi ng ating organisasyon.
Foundation Day, Sogo! Happy 33rd Foundation Day!
Happy Foundation Day, Hotel Sogo!
"30 years is not just about longevity. It is about loyalty, it is about resilience, and it's about believing in the company that believe in you. Thank you, Hotel Sogo. Thank you for the 30 years, many years. And my journey continues. Thank you po sa inyo lahat."
Naniniwala na ako na sa trabaho meron talagang pamilya eh.
Taon na ang nakalipas nang simulan ang paglalakbay na ito na may malinaw na pangarap. Ngayon, dala ng ating karanasan at aral, mas handa tayong para harapin ang kinabukasan. Ngayon gabi, tayo ay magdiriwang, kilalanin natin ang katapatan, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Dahil kayo ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi.
Cheers for the Foundation Day of Sogo 33rd year. More years for Sogo life and more life to our years. Cheers!